Guys, so this is the Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover. I wanted to try this out because we had some different stains and we had tried some other pet specialty removers and it didn't really work. I mean, it worked pretty decent, but you can still see the outline of the spray and you can see the discoloration. You can see that's kind of yellowish orange here compared to the rest of the carpet. So I did spray this liberally with this Folex Carpet Spot Remover, and I'm going to take a paper towel, and what they say to do is just take the paper towel and press it down into the stain so it will soak up the stain instead of just immediately going in and rubbing it. So I am doing that, and I am seeing discoloration on the paper towel, as you can see, and I am pretty stoked about that because I really don't see anything left on the ground. And of course I'm going to go back and do another paper towel and after this one and just kind of press again, and I may come back with water. And you don't need to do that, but I will do that just in case because this is a high area of walking. So I would recommend this.